Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about the BISSELL Little Green Max Pet Portable Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner. If you're in the market for a cleaning tool that handles tough pet stains, dirt, and odors with ease, look no further. This is hands down the best steam upholstery cleaner you can get your hands on. The BISSELL Little Green Max Pet is an innovative solution for anyone dealing with pets, kids, or just everyday messes. It combines powerful suction with scrubbing action to ensure that even the toughest pet stains and odors are completely eliminated. It's designed to be lightweight and portable, making it easy to use on upholstery, carpets, and even in your car. Whether it's muddy paw prints, pet accidents, or deep-set stains, this machine is up to the task. What really sets this cleaner apart is its superior suction, which is 30% more powerful than other portable deep cleaners. This means you're getting a deep clean every time, leaving your fabrics looking as good as new. It also comes with a specialized pet hair removal tool that helps you tackle all that unwanted pet hair, which can often be a challenge to remove from upholstery. Another great feature of the BISSELL Little Green Max Pet is its self-cleaning tough stain tool. This allows you to clean the tool after use with just the press of a button, ensuring that no dirt or residue is left behind, making maintenance quick and easy. This means your tool stays in top condition for longer, ready for the next mess. The two-tank technology is another smart design choice. It keeps clean and dirty water separate, so you're always using fresh water to clean. The 15-foot cord and the extra long hose give you the freedom to reach those hard-to-get spots, whether it's the back of your couch, your car's upholstery, or your staircase. In addition, the BISSELL Little Green Max Pet includes the Pet Pro Oxy Urine Eliminator formula, which works perfectly with the machine to break down and neutralize pet odors. This powerful formula is designed to handle urine, vomit, and other messes left behind by your furry friends. Plus, it protects against future stains, so you can rest easy knowing your fabrics are safe from further damage. The 32-ounce clean tank is perfect for large cleaning jobs, but don't worry, the process of filling and emptying the tanks is hassle-free, ensuring that you can get the job done without constant refills. And despite its size and power, it weighs just 8.2 pounds, making it easy to carry around and store in your home. To wrap it up, the BISSELL Little Green Max Pet Portable Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner is the ultimate solution for tackling tough pet messes. With its superior suction, specialized tools, and easy-to-use features, it delivers a cleaning experience that's both efficient and effective. If you're looking for the best steam upholstery cleaner that can also handle carpets, cars, and a range of other surfaces, this is the one to get. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. We'll see you in the next video.